YouTube was good. Sniper Gang was good. Happy Thursday. It's your boy, man, with my daily recap so far. Fendi Fibonacci. Just coming to y'all, man. Let y'all know how my day went so far. The time is 11:10 a.m. About to go over the recap real quick, man. As y'all can see right now in the market, man, we got a little Christmas look. We only got Meta, Google, UNH, you know what I'm saying? Couple of big names out there, green. Everything else looking red. The semiconductor sector, Microsoft looking red. Amazon, Tesla, Home Depot. The capital markets looking red, as y'all can see. But yeah, today I went 2 for 2. You know what I'm saying? Stuck to my game plan. Wasn't no real news out there. Just straight technical based trading today. Nevertheless though, satisfied, you know what I'm saying? I was able to get a nice piece of profit out. It's not a crazy day for me. But a green day. And you know, we need that green. Green is clean. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, just 2 for 2 on the day, you know what I'm saying, shutting it down. You know, I got a lot to do. Finna go hit this gym, you know what I'm saying, feeling good right now. Put a little bit of profit in my pocket, ready to go hit this gym. But before I do that, man, I'm about to break it down for y'all. Yeah, man, so the first trade I got into today was coin. As y'all can see on the bottom left of my screen, it was 2 trades I made, as I was telling you. And the first one I got in was coin. Just playing off of yesterday, as we can see, the whole market sold off. But you know, coin had a nice sell-off from a key resistance area. This 100-day moving average right here, what you can see. This purple line put in this beautiful red bearish candle, especially if you're a short seller or you love to do puts. There was a beautiful bearish candle off of this 100-day moving average, which also made us go right through this area right here. It's not really that structured because you see it traded through it, and then right here it finally hold it. But as you can see, once it got right here, after this sell-off, and it bounced right back into that area where we got another sell-off. Put that right there. This is in pre-market right here. Seller stepped in. Seller stepped in. You see this double top right here in pre-market right here. This also gave me some type of confirmation. Let me know that this level is really into play. Because you see, this is the daily level. Let me go to the daily. See, that's the daily level. Let me go to pre-market. Yeah, there we go. You see what I'm saying? And they not too far off. Let me see. This the top of it. This the double top right here. So what it is, 49.67, and what the daily is, 49.92. That's not that far off. So this whole area right here is the resistance zone. So once I see that in pre-market, now I'm thinking to myself, okay, this the level I'm finna play off of. So now let's go to the left. So once we open up right here. Remember what I told you? This dotted yellow line is the open line. We tail off this EMA 9 line, a little tail. But this is what I'm willing to see. I'm looking for sellers to step in, because once sellers step in, the big players, you know, the dudes who move the market, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to ride the wave, you know what I'm saying? I'm just piggybacking off them boys, you know what I'm saying? They see what I see. But once we get up into that $50 level, I'm looking for sellers to step in. Once sellers step in, that's when I step in. Now let's see the next candle. Bam. As you can see right here, sellers stepped in. And this one I step in, as you can see right here at 9:35, just 5 minutes, I jumped into it with 4 contracts at $3.45. Now you can see on the option chart part, the blue dot is when I buy, the red dot is when I sell. Alright, see, I stepped in, seller stepped in, I stepped in. Let's go to the next candle. Bam. Now you see, once we got in this area, this is where I took my first piece of profit off. You might say, why you took your first piece of profit out there, Fibonacci? The reason why I did it right here, because this where the buyers was in the beginning. This where they jumped up and they pushed the stock up, which I was waiting for. But this where the sellers came in off of this area right here. Remember the pre-market area, the pre-market resistance, and the daily resistance. This area right here, what we looking at. As you can see right here, they pushed it down. So now, since I'm knowing buyers came in right here, soon we get to it right here in this area, this is where I want to take my profit at. Right off in there. And as you can see, I sold my first at $3.70. 2 contracts, you know what I'm saying? Just, you know what I'm saying? Just to lighten up my risk. That's not the move I'm looking for, but that's the move I'm trying to get to lighten up my risk. You know what I'm saying? Because anytime you get a move going in your favor, this is what I like to do. I like to take some profit. You know what I'm saying? Scale out. I'm not trying to hold my whole position through the whole move, because at the end of the day, we never know what the stock going to do. You know what I'm saying? We just got some confirmation, or you know what I'm saying, levels that we pick, and we believe that it should bounce off this area, or it should reject off this area. You know what I'm saying? But we never know. You get what I'm saying? And plus, we don't have enough capital to move the stock like that. All we doing is piggybacking off of the big players who moving the stock. That's all we doing. You know what I'm saying? So once I got to this area, I took my first piece of profit. So now I got 2 contracts left, as you can see. At 9:38, just 3 minutes later, sold 2 contracts, $50. Okay, bomb. Let's go. Let's see what the next candle do. Look, buyers jump right back in and push the stock right back up to that same $50 area where we got in at, where we was looking for rejection at. That's what I was telling y'all. We never know. That's why you want to take the profit off. You don't want to play. But yeah, as we can see, we pushed back up. So now we're not worried because we done got two contracts off. Now, if coin was to get past this area right here, then that's when we got to cut our losses. But you know what I'm saying? Because this is the stop loss area right here. You get what I'm saying? So we ain't really worried because, you know what I'm saying, this is our area. Remember, let me show you again. You see? Look where the cursor at. Once I click on the right side, look what it's showing on the left side. This where the pre-market rejection was at, as you can see. So we not really stressing that. We looking for the sellers to jump back in again. So let's see what happened. Next candle. Bam. They came right back in again. That's our level. We feeling good right now. You know what I'm saying? We ain't taking another piece of profit because we looking to get some more. You know what I'm saying? We already lighten up our risk. It didn't get near our stop loss area. Sellers done came back in and pushed the stock right back down. They pushed it right back down. So let's see what the next candle do. Well, that's the next 2. Okay, as you can see, they pushed it a little bit further, but this not the candle though. You see right here, I didn't take the piece of profit. I was holding just to get a little bit more. Let's go to the next candle. See, I got it right here. I bottom ticked that thing, as y'all can see. I was able to bottom tick that thing. So my next contract right here, what you can see on the option chart, which is 1. Remember, I sold 2, I had 2 left at $3.95 for $50. So you see the move we got. the first contract I sold, first two contracts I sold for $50. You get what I'm saying? For two at 370 from 345. Then the next move I sell one and get the same $50 but at 395. You get what I'm saying? So now I got one contract left. I done got two pieces of profit off. So now I'm saying to myself, I'm good now. So let's see what happens now. Push back up, as we can see. Once we see that right there, I'm out. Cause now I done got two. There's no reason for me to let this play all the way back up here. You get what I'm saying? It's no reason for that. You know what I'm saying? I got my first two. I got my next one. And now if it get above, I'm looking for it to stay below VWAP. You know what I'm saying? Or the EMA 9 line the most. But once we get this candle right here, I automatically just get out, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, I automatically got out for just a little small loss. So you can see now I'm net positive on the whole coin trade. You get what I'm saying? And then let's see what coin did after that. See? That's what I'm saying. It's no reason to hold through that. You get what I'm saying? Cause look, we went from right here way up there. You know what I'm saying? This was the previous stop loss area. With the first contracts off, okay, I hold it to this. When I get the next one off, now I'm looking for, which is this line right here, for it to be resistant. Yes, VWAP as well, this purple line, but this little beige line, I'm looking for this to be resistant as well. But once we get through here, I'm not holding back up here. You get what I'm saying? Because there's no need to do that. I'm looking for the stock to get to this level right here, and I'm looking for one of these to happen. Something like this, you get what I'm saying? I'm looking for something like this to happen. You get what I'm saying? This is what I'm looking for. Something like this to happen. You get what I'm saying? Not just like that, but just something, you know what I'm saying? You get it? This is exactly what I'm looking for right here. Something like this. Once it get back to the level, I'm still looking for us to keep trading down. But you see, we didn't do that. We did this right here. Buyers came in from this level and they pushed it up. So that's when I got flat. I took my little profit that I made, as you can see right here, and I was good. All right, on the barber trade. As you can see in Baba. As you can see in Baba. Baba started off the day with a strong push. As we can see from these candles right here. Look at this right here. Look at Baba. Baba started with a strong push. I'm saying to myself, okay, Baba doing good, so Baba might be my long play. This why I was in coin now. You know what I'm saying? Because as you can see, look, when I jumped in Baba at 10 o'clock. Remember, I was in coin at 9:35. I jumped in Baba at 10 o'clock. So this what Baba's doing, all while I'm in coin. You got your pullback. You know what I'm saying? These candles, really, this not the candle you really want to see. You know what I'm saying? You want to see smaller candles, and this not the volume you really want to see when it comes to the pullback. because they almost the same, but it's not. But the volume's still kind of too heavy. I rather see these two candles right here. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying? This will happen. Once I seen this candle, oh, okay. Cause let me show y'all something right here. Watch this. This is the overall market, the SPY. Look what the SPY doing. Look, while Baba's doing this, move right here, this pushing up, look what the SPY is doing. Pushing up. When the SPY got rejected, look what Baba got rejected. Same thing. Get what I'm saying? But only thing is, guess what? The SPY is red on the day. You get, remember, because look, this the close, this the open. The SPY is red. This the close, this the open. Baba's green. So Baba got relative strength. There we go. Let's do it like that. All right, look. You see, you get this candle right here on the SPY. Look, it pushes Baba up. Even though the SPY is still red, Baba is still green. So once I see this candle, look, this is where I get my entry at. And we got a nice increase in volume. This is what I get my entry at. 4 contracts for $2.58. As you can see right here. At 9:59 a.m., bought 4 contracts for $2.58 for $1,000. Let's see where I took my first piece of profit at. Next candle. This is the area you want to take it at. Let me get this right here. Let me switch this over for y'all so y'all can get a good glimpse. All right, this is the area you want to. This the area where we want to take our first piece of profit out, where the first resistance level was. Now, as you can see, next candle, looking good. We holding. You can see buyer stepping in off of VWAP. Buyer stepping in. Next candle, bam. This way we took our first piece of profit. But mind you, I didn't do it like the other one. I sold 3 contracts for $66. And you like, why you sold 3? The other one you sold 2. The reason why I sold 3, because look at this level right here. You see this resistance area? This is yesterday. Look at this sell-off. You get what I'm saying? Look at the previous day before that. Got this area. Look at another sell-off again. Look at the previous day before that one. Got up here, pushed back down. Got back up here at the end of the day, gap down. So this whole area right here let me know it's a lot of selling pressure up here. So that's what I'm telling myself, man, I'm already green on the day. You know what I'm saying? I'm playing Baba because of the relative strength. I'm thinking, you know what I'm saying, the SPY is really not giving us a clear direction. It's really in chop mode, but Baba is one of the strongest stocks up on the day so far. So I'm telling myself, man, since I'm already green, I'm not thinking we're going to get over this area right here. I say, let me just take off majority, you know what I'm saying, of my contracts. And I'm going to just hold one to get actually to this area. I'm taking off majority right here, as we can see. And then if I get some follow through, I'm going to take off my last one right here. You know what I'm saying? Just textbook. Nothing crazy. You know what I'm saying? Just taking what the market give me and being very prudent, understand what's going on. So let's see what happens. Look, we got another rejection at that level. Once you see this candle look like this right here, you know this level is serious. You already got to pull back from the previous rejection. And then we get back up here, and then look, you get a whole candle almost engulf the whole move. You get what I'm saying? So let's see. Still ain't get out, still holding. VWAP, look at VWAP trying to hold. VWAP been holding. You see the buyer stepped in right here. Buyer still trying to step in. Look, buyer still trying to step in. this the candle that stopped me out. I kind of got stopped out prematurely because I was anticipating it. Because really, this what the candle looked like. What made me get out. I'll show you exactly what it looked like. This is exactly what the candle looked like. Before it got pushed up. Once I seen that, I like, oh, I'm out. And now you can see it right here. You see it exactly right here. Once I seen that, I'm like, I'm out. Cause I already got 3. I see VWAP is holding support. You can see it from right here. These tails let you know buyers are being aggressive, stepping in. But once I seen this candle like this, cause look, once you see it, and then what? It pushes up. You get what I'm saying? Look. And it came like that. That's the tail. You see? I seen it like this. I jumped out because I'm thinking it's just you gonna get one of those. You get what I'm saying? But we didn't get one of those because VWAP's still holding. So this is what I was saying. I got out kind of prematurely, and you'll see why as I continue to let it play out. You get what I'm saying? So I seen it like this. I stopped out. You can see right here. I'm out. So my last contract, you know what I'm saying, at $2.35. You feel me? What gave me minus 23. You know what I'm saying? So let me get rid of this. And we can see. Now let's see how Baba hold. Boom. Buyers still there looking strong. You get what I'm saying? They still look giving strong. But this area right here is not going nowhere. Like this is a major area right now. So although I wish I would stay in, but if I'm not gonna get this extension through here, it's pointless. But let's see now. Come on. Look. Reject. Look at this candle right here. Another rejection at that area. Now look. And now we get the breakdown.
You set my soul on fire. Baby, you set my soul on fire. You set my soul on fire. Baby, you set my soul on fire. You set my soul on fire. set my soul on fire. Baby, you set my soul on you set my soul on fire. Baby, you set my soul on you set my soul on fire. You set my soul on fire. Set my soul on set my soul on set my soul on fire. Set my soul on fire. You set my soul on fire. Baby, you set my soul on you set my soul on fire. Baby, you set my soul on you set my soul on fire. You set my soul on fire. Set my soul on set my soul on fire. Set my soul on fire. Set my soul on fire. You set my soul on fire.